Good day, children. Our subject for today is about music. Today, we are going to learn sound and silence. You live in a world full of sounds every day. Some sounds are pleasing to the ear, while others are not. You also experience silence at various times. There is silence when you are taking a test or praying when you wake up in the morning. Silence is important in those situations. So, what is the difference between sound and silence? What is sound? Sounds are everywhere. It is anything that we can hear. You use your ears to hear different sounds. Sounds comes from different sources. It can be from people, from animals, from objects, and from nature. Here are some examples of sounds from people. A woman singing.
And
A man on the phone.
ฮัลโหล
And a crying baby. Here are some examples of sounds from animals. A dog barking. A cow moo. A cat meow. Here are some examples of sounds from the object. An alarm clock. A ringing telephone. And a bell ringing. Here are some examples of sounds from the nature. A sound from a thunder. A sound of a pouring rain. Next, what is the opposite of sound? When there is no sound heard, there is silence. So what is silence? It's the absence of sounds. It means pause or a moment of rest. It is when we do not hear any sound. When it is quiet all around you, the place is silent and at peace. It's just like the silence when the baby is sleeping, or somebody reading a book inside the library, or a family when they are praying. Okay, we use this symbol to identify sound, and we use this symbol to identify silence. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and God bless.